Hey everybody, in this video I want to make some melodic rhythm after a long time. So whatever, let's just dive into it. I just made a whole song to prove you that I can be good at making color bass. And of course, I began with the bass. The key here was it to find a fast and non-tonal bass with a lot of texture so you can make very good melodic post-processing. And then I layered it with some other basses to give the main bass more body. The post-processing is not too complex, but still, it's important. I just used a convolver with my favorite impulse and EQ'd the mid and sides. After that, just two OTTs on top of each other, two more EQs, and I finished it off with Fruutiy, which is basically a compressor plugin, but can also be used for distortion. For more transient, I added another layer that sounds like a laser gun. I got it, by the way, from the Shark's Trinite sample pack. And for even more variation, I made another color laser. But I think you already know how to make it. If not, check out this video here. And I also don't have to explain the drum because I think you all should know how dubstep drums work. The ambience is easy, just two loops with a dreamy feeling. And an ARP that sounds very electronic and somehow it reminds me of Ace Aura. Now just a melodic growl for some variation. The melodic breakdown and intro is less complicated in sound design, but needed some composing. I just started out by laying out some chords which are being very slow strummed, and on top of that I added the melody to complement the chords. By the way, check out Dusk Fox. From his videos I learned how to create piano melodies like these. Under the piano I just layered a pad, and for some more low end, a Reese bass. Then I designed some chord synth and lead synths, so it switches up the mood in the breakdown to a more digital but still emotional kind of song. I added all the elements that I currently have listed here to the build up and put the main bass with the filter automation in there, and that's basically the whole build up. But of course, before the drop hits, I had to put in my producer tag, but I made it very, very melodic. Fruitiy. Then I copied most of the elements, changed up some sounds and the flow of the second drop. And for the outro in the song, I just used the piano with a different pattern, and the pad from the intro. That's all. So let's just listen to the final result. Tell me in the comments if I should make it into a full song. I hope you liked what I did here and I'm not a noob anymore. However, thanks for watching. I wish you a great day. Bye!